Haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Sigmoid volvulus. So under the sigmoid volvulus, they are seen in patients with the chronic constipation, and that is they can be by smoking, high risk of smoking, as well as in case of psychiatric conditions. They appear as a coffee bean, or it can be omega sign. There is a bent inner tube sign. There's a bent inner tube sign which can be seen, as well as the abdominal telegraph. Now 3 lines it converge at a point. So 3 lines converges at a point, and this is nothing but it is known as a Freeman-Dahl sign. Freeman-Dahl sign, and it causes a proximal obstruction. Proximal obstruction. Next is presence of the barium enema. The barium enema, it appears as, it gives a bird beak sign or the bird of prey sign. So bird beak sign or the bird of prey sign. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.